Hey, what's going on everyone, this is iReviews back with another video, and today I will show you guys 10 amazing iPhone apps that I believe every iPhone user must try out on their device in May 2024. And we're starting with this amazing app called Dynamic Lyrics, and you can see right here what it does. It will actually show you lyrics, dynamic lyrics from the music that you're playing from Apple Music and even Spotify right on the home screen of your device. And it does that through widgets, which you can have in multiple sizes. The bigger one that you see right here, you can have the smaller one, the medium one as well. Now, what's really cool about this app is that you can also have a floating window, which you can basically get anywhere like on your screen, just like the picture-in-picture mode. So you can see we can have two lines there, or we can change the font. And you can just basically have this anywhere you want. You enable this, and then when you go around within your apps or anywhere, you will have your window there with the lyrics, which is actually really awesome. Now, what you can have is also here the live activity and the dynamic island, both of these with the lyrics, but this is a paid feature. You can see how cool that is. It is pretty simple. You just connect it with either Apple Music or Spotify, whichever one you use, and once you start playing your music, you will see the lyrics right on your home screen through that widget. The next app for the video is Search Ninja. Now, Search Ninja is an extension for Safari, and it's actually really cool, and it has some really nice tricks. So you can see right here in Safari, whenever you search for something here, you're basically Googling something. But if I want to search for something, but I don't want to search it in Google, I want to search it, let's say, in DuckDuckGo, here's what I do. I tap DDG and then type whatever I want to search. So NBA in this case, if I want to search for NBA right here, you can see it will actually search for NBA, in this case, in DuckDuckGo. Now, the way this works with this extension, once you have installed the app, you go to Safari, tap the AA button, and make sure you have enabled Search Ninja. And if you tap right there, you will see all the shortcuts. You can even add your own right there. So on the Safari search bar, all you have to do, let's say if you want to search for something on eBay, you just have to type E or type eBay before the word that you want to search, and then it does that automatically, just like you saw right there. You will have other things right here like Bing, Amazon, you will have Google Images, and you can see Wikipedia. You can just go ahead and add your own ones as well, and it's pretty cool and actually makes it very easy for you to search on any engine you want. Now, here's another one called MapSwitch. This is also an extension for Safari. Now, if you prefer to use Apple Maps instead of Google Maps, then this one is for you. So you first of all, of course, install the app. You tap right there, make sure you have enabled MapSwitch, and make sure you have this on right here. Apple Map link is enabled, so make this on right here. Now, what this will do is that on any Google Maps link that you tap, it will actually redirect you to Apple Maps and not Google Maps. So if I just go ahead and see like a place right here and I tap on the link, you can see it will send me to Apple Maps instead of the Google Maps app. Now, here's one of my favorite apps from this list. It is called Vision Keys. Now, this is a keyboard app. So first of all, once you have installed it, you need to go to your settings and then head on to the general settings, go under keyboard right here, go to your keyboards, tap add new keyboard, and they have Vision Keys. This is a really cool keyboard. Now, I would not normally add like a third-party keyboard to my device and use it on a daily basis, but this one is really awesome. You can see how cool that looks. It's actually pretty nice to look at it, and it has, of course, all the same function as the keyboard does from Apple, and you can see the numbers right here, all the symbols and everything we need. But I really like the looks of it. The circles right here make it look really different. The next app for the video is called Clipbox. Now, with Clipbox, you will be able to view and save anything that you copy to your clipboard. Like you can see right here, I have a link that I have saved. I can tap the plus button here if I just want to add something, or if I have something added to my keyboard, I can just automatically save it right here. Now what's really cool is that you can of course organize them into your favorites and the tags as well. But if you pay the premium subscription, then you will get a pretty cool feature, which is the keyboard. So make sure you have added Clipbox right here, and then when you go to type something and you need something that you have saved on your clipboard, all you have to do is just tap right here and you will see everything that you have previously saved on your keyboard, and you will be able to just paste them right here with a click. Next up is one of my favorites countdown apps that I have found on the App Store. You probably know that you see those apps everywhere, but this one is actually very simple to use. It has a very nice design, and I love the widgets that it offers for the home screen. So you can add different countdowns, and you can choose to add from months, weeks, days, hours, minutes, and seconds, and of course the title right here, and have the countdown right on the home screen of your device. You can see this is the app right here. Very simple. You will have all of your countdowns right here. Want to add a new one, simply tap the plus button. You can import them from your calendar or just add a new one from here. You will basically add a name there, the date, and then choose what you want to see on the countdown here. So years, months, weeks, up to seconds right there. You can choose the text and the background color, and you're good to go. And then you can have them on your home screen via the widgets, which are actually very simple and very nice looking. Next up is Cone Art. Now Cone Art is a wallpaper app that has recently been released, and it offers some beautiful wallpapers for your device. This is the home screen right here. Of course, we have a search bar to search for anything you want. You will have popular wallpapers right here to download from. Then you will have here like different tags that you can actually use to search for wallpapers. You can see most of these are AI generated. They actually look pretty cool, and of course the quality is very nice. And you will see right here all the different categories, the weekly tops, and all that stuff. We even have here the depth effect wallpapers, which of course you can add to your lock screen. And then right here you will see random wallpapers. You can choose here to search for wallpapers based on colors, and you will have your favorites right here. Now once you have decided on a wallpaper and you want to download it for your device, all you have to do is of course tap the download button here, and you're good to go. And you can even save it right there under your favorites if you don't want to download it to your device, but you will be able to find it here anytime you need it. Next up is Photo PDF. Now this app allows you to turn any of your photos into a PDF file. It's very simple to use. All you have to do, tap the plus button and load any picture you want. Once you have loaded your pictures, of course that can be one, it can be multiple of those. You will see them right here. Now what you can do here is rearrange them if you want to. You can remove any one of them if you want to, and once you're done, you tap the next button. You can choose the layout right here, tap next again, and there you will have it. You have now a PDF file created out of your pictures, and from here we'll be able to even mark it up or just tap on the share button, and this will allow you to print it or just save it on your Files app, or of course share it on your email or anywhere you want. Next up is Converter. Now Converter allows you to convert all kinds of different documents. You can see right here this interface. You will have things from files to video right here, photos and audio as well. You can just go ahead and convert any of these types of files. So if we want to convert a photo, we just tap right here, load a photo from the camera roll, and once you have done that, you will see here the target format. So what you want to convert it into, you just go ahead and choose the format just like that. And then the size right here, you can keep the original size or just choose any other size you want. Tap the start button right there, and there it is. It has now been completed. And then right here under your portfolio, you will see all their files into different categories, and of course in each category you will see the files that you have converted. And if you want to export them, you can just go ahead and do that from here. The next app for the video is called Input. Now this app allows you to connect your iPhone to your computer and turn your iPhone into a mouse so you can control your computer. So this is the screen that you will see once you have installed the app. You will of course need to install it on your computer as well. Check these once you have done them and tap on start searching right here. And once you have done this, you will be able to find your computer, and from here you will be able to also use your computer directly from your iPhone. So there we have the keyboard, of course we have all the different controls, and you can just go ahead and use your iPhone, basically turn it into a mouse for your device. So keyboard right here anytime you need to type something, and right here we'll have the trackpad. So if I just go ahead and click something right there in the background on my Mac, you will be able to actually see it. I think I can just go ahead and go a bit lower here. There you see it in the background, so it does actually work. And anytime you need the keyboard, you can actually type directly from your iPhone to your computer, which sometimes probably for a lot of people will be much easier than typing on the keyboard of a computer. So that's basically it for this video, guys. These are the 10 apps that I suggest you try out this month on your device. If you want to download any of the apps, make sure you check out the pinned comment. All the links will be there. So thank you guys for watching the video, and I'll see you on the next one.